Hey everyone, it's Kalan here at the Rylee Ranch. You know, we're always trying to improve the lives of our animals. And today, the parrots of the Rylee Ranch are getting a major upgrade with a huge outdoor enclosure. First step, we gotta cut some of these branches down. Now that we've got our frame all built, we're gonna hang lights. Check out how cool the lights look at night. The new birdhouse is all completed. Now to get the inside fixed up. We finally got our entire aviary wired. And looks like Grayson and George get to enjoy it now. Now we just got to get the inside filled with parrot enrichment. Hi, Grayson.